So that search led me to 3 ancient Chinese beauty routine that has been practiced for thousands of years. Hey YouTube friends, my name is Yatang. My husband Justin and I just celebrated our 18th year anniversary. We live here in Nashville, Tennessee with our 3 beautiful boys. So you may be wondering, what is this channel about? Well, let me give you a little background story about myself. Growing up, I was always told by everyone around me that I just looked so much younger than my age, which as a child, I always hated that. But as I became an adult, it became a compliment. And I took it for granted. I thought I would always stay like that. And the idea of skincare and anti-aging rarely crossed my mind. And then I got married, I finished school, and I had kids. And life just got a whole lot busier. To such a degree that I would say maybe for the last 10 to 15 years, I really took time to look myself in the mirror or do much about my skin. It was not until 3 years ago when my husband at that time was trying to get into portrait photography, asked me to pose for him. So after the picture came out, I was quite shocked to see, wow, I look so much older than I remembered. My skin around my eyes started having lines and dripping. My cheeks are sagging. I have like deep lines around my mouth. And I just look worn. That was quite a wake-up call for me and made me realize it's time for me to take better care of myself. So I set on a quest to look for remedies that can reverse these signs of aging. I set 3 criteria for myself. First, I want the remedy to be all natural because I don't believe in a lot of harsh chemicals, because even if they may work temporarily, in the long run they can do damage to your skin and even to your health. Number 2, I didn't want to waste a ton of money. I wanted something that is not going to cost hundreds or thousands of dollars. Number 3, I wanted it to be time tested. I know it's effective. So that search led me to 3 ancient Chinese beauty routine that has been practiced for thousands of years. So I started practicing them on and off. I would see some good benefits or good results, but then I would forget about them for a while. And it wasn't until about 6 to 7 months ago I started making a simple morning routine that incorporate sometimes 2, sometimes all 3 on a daily basis. And I would just do it every morning after I got out of the shower, after I brushed my teeth, and I just didn't give much thought. About 2 months ago, one day my husband looked at me and he said, "Hey honey, I'm not sure what you're doing, but you're doing something right because you are looking a whole lot younger. Your cheek used to be a little bit almost thinning down, but now it becomes plump again, like when you were younger." That got me really excited because that let me know that these routines really work. So I continually working on them every single day and continually seeing better results. So I decided I wanted to share this beauty routines with more people out there. And the good thing about these routines are, number 1, they just need a few simple tools that you can easily find on Amazon, and it only take you 5 to 10 minutes. As long as you are consistent, you will see results. Are you excited to learn what these secrets are? If you are, like this video, leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and let's get this started.